How to request money on Google Pay. Google Pay Request Money 2026 Guide. Want to request money from someone using Google Pay? Follow these quick and easy steps. Step 1. Open Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Step 2. Select the contact. Tap Pay Contacts or use the search bar. Select the person from whom you want to request money. Step 3. Tap Request. After opening the chat/payment screen, tap the Request option instead of Pay. Step 4. Enter the amount. Type the amount you want to request. You can also add a note, optional. Step 5. Send the request. Tap Request to send. The other person will receive a notification to approve the payment. Important tips. The other person must also be using Google Pay. Make sure their phone number or UPI ID is correct. Once approved, the money will be transferred instantly. Quick summary. Open Google Pay, select Contact, tap Request, enter amount, send request.